कम टाइम में अपनी लाइफ में ज्यादा वैल्यू ऐड करने के लिए हमारे इसी YouTube चैनल का क्लिप्स सेक्शन आज ही चेक कीजिए।
It's all about teeth. Presenting to you India's most famous dentist with Dr. Karthik Dinoja, powered by Karthikatva.
And one last question for postgraduates, that what sort of approach towards the subject they should keep in mind to do more and more research in the field of this oral pathology, or suggest any topic कि इस पाथवे में अभी बहुत जगह है, ये एक नीश यहाँ पे आप अपनी क्रिएट कर सकते हैं।
So one is about the fluorescent stain DAPI.
Okay.
And you can use it in cytology, especially for precancerous lesions and conditions. You get, you will see the nuclei as a dark green area.
Okay.
And dark blue area, which is very, you can't miss it. So that is one advance that I have noted, but the cost involved is huge.
Okay.
So you need a fluorescent microscope for that. So that's not a very practical solution right now. Coming to soft tissue practice in advances, tissue fluorescence visualization, WellScan, helps you to detect things way before early. And with that, I come to a DNA ploidy test, which is an invention of British Columbia Cancer Agency, Canada, which diagnoses tumor aneuploidy. Okay. So that basically, a fundamental change in cancer is tumor aneuploidy. Cancer cannot happen without aneuploidy.
Okay.
So you have this liquid brush-based cytology test that I have come across, which will help us detect a dysplasia or malignancy 2 years before histology or cytology.
Okay.
Because we are picking up the fundamental change.
Right.
And that is one advance that we can actually incorporate in our practices, because patients visit dentists for their oral cavity. Right. And we can check out everything. We can find it early for ourselves and for patients, of course, and treat them in your clinic. So DNA ploidy test is an advance, which is also done in the cervical, it's for the cancers of the cervix as well.
Right.
So oral cancers is a huge topic, and it's a huge problem in India.
Right.
84% of the cases that are found globally belong to our country.
Okay.
So that is one niche that you can pick up in the field of oral pathology. Second is you could focus on doing your, on salivary gland tumors or exclusive histopathology.
Okay.
I know a few doctors who are oral pathologists and they have their own labs.
Okay.
Oral pathology labs. They do cytology, they do biopsy, they do DNA ploidy. So that is one thing that they can focus on their own lab and reporting cases. As a young oral pathologist, I would always suggest that you practice with a senior oral pathologist first.
Okay. Right.
And make sure that it is an oral pathologist. Oral pathology is a highly specialized branch.
Okay.
And the diagnosis that an oral pathologist can give is more accurate for the oral cavity in comparison to a general pathologist.
Yeah.
Because there's a wide range of lesions that happens. Yeah. Salivary gland tumors are also way too common. So that's another field that, or as oral pathologists, you can pick up. Focus on non-invasive techniques.
Right.
Because those help a lot. And they make your life easier. They make patients' life easier.
Okay.